Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Mega Minion Mel from Despicable Me 4. So let's get started. To draw cute Super Mel, let's first start by drawing his eye. So I'm going to start right here with a big circle. And just easier for my eye to easier for my hand to start right here. So I'm just going to go up with a curve. And go around. If you're not comfortable drawing these big circles, definitely find something at home you can trace. I just feel it's looks a little bit nicer if it's not perfect circle. So it's just a little bit more organic. Okay, so now I have this circle in. Let's go ahead. We're going to come inside and draw another circle. So I'll just follow what I drew on the outside and there to create his one super eye, these goggles. Okay, there. So now that we have this circle in, I'm going to come to the center. So I'm just going to approximately right here is my center. I'm going to go up and about this high. And I'm just going to use that as my center and then draw this little line and then bring down two angles. The top right here. And then on the sides, we're going to draw the line about right here, round it off and bring it down, round it off and bring it in. So same thing on the other side. Drawing the hinge area, and then come in here in the center and draw a line. And then now that we have this center eye in, a little bit rounder, and then let's go ahead and we need to draw the mouth. So right underneath, see about this is my center. I'm going to come down really close, just going to give myself a point, and using that point I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve, and I'm going to kind of make it a little bit wider than that and come down. So this is the opening for his mouth. So same thing on the other side, just drawing this big curve. So we're going to pass a little bit and down. There, so just coming back in here to make sure. And then now that I have that, I'm going to same area. I'm going to go ahead and just connect it with a slight curve at the bottom. There, so we have a nice big opening for his mouth, and I'm going to come in here and draw his mouth. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and come wobble. Two curves, bring it down, so I'm going to drag it down, say about right here, and then we're going to round it off again and then come in and connect. And then for some teeth, so let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve across in the center about right here, and just going to draw some lines for some teeth in the center. You can split this a little bit so there's like a little groove each 251 for some detail there. And then the tongue, so I'm going to come right about here and just wobble a tongue in here. And I'm not too sure if this is black, so it might be just like a really dark maroon, so I'm just going to leave it blank. And then from there we need to start to draw the pill-shaped minion. So let's come back to about right here on both sides. We're just going to give myself a point on both sides, and we need to draw a curve. So just a big curve, and we're going to pass, so it's nice and round about right here, and come down. So same thing over here. Nice and round at the top. Oops. And bring it down. So now that I kind of have this shape in, I'm going to come in here because it's just harder for my hand to draw that curve from the top. So, but I need to make sure it's about right there. So now I can come back in and smooth out my curve. So whatever is easier, definitely turn your paper or your body to create this big curve for Mel's head. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to bring it down. And we're just going to go straight down. And we're going to come down to about where his mouth is. So we're coming straight down, and then kind of like we're about where his mouth is, we're going to start to bring it in. And I'll just go ahead and connect it with a curve. There's a nice big pill. And then from there we need to draw some details. So I'm going to come underneath this mouth, right underneath, and let's say about right here. I'm just going to draw another curve, just kind of following the mouth, so a little bit shorter. And then from there I'm going to come up to say about, let's just say right about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down for the strap. So I'm just aiming for that area. Then I'm going to thicken it up. And just round it off. So same thing on the other side. So just drag this across approximately. And we're just going to bring in a curve. Thicken it up. And once again, same thing, just round it off and connect. And now I'll come in here and pop this out. So just erase that a little bit. And then I almost forgot, oh my gosh, we need to draw the straps here. So I'm just going to draw a slight curve, and same thing here. And then a line in the center, and same thing here, and curve. And of course pop it out and pop it out. So just erase that. There. Then from there, let's come back and we need to draw the pocket. So let's say about right here, it comes through. I'm just gonna go ahead and just put in this little pouch. Same thing here. And then the bottom part right here, just add a curve. And same thing on the other side. And then of course we got this little pocket right in the center. There. And almost forgot, we need to put a little button right here. And of course the Minion logo. So just come in here and just draw this oval shape. And then put an M right in here. And shade this all in. There. And then finally we have that, and then let's draw the feet. So let's come to this the center about right here. I'm gonna go left, so let's say about right here I'm gonna go ahead and draw these two little angle lines. So right here, well, that's centered, and then I'm gonna go cut it off for the boots and angle it in, and then about right here we're just gonna pop them out and connect. So same thing here. Angle, angle, bring it down. Then we're just going to go around and connect. And then for his little hands, let's come right about here under the strap. And I'm just going to curve and angle it. Just give a little bend to his hands and then cut it off. And just like the feet, we're going to angle, and then this time we're just going to curve 3 of them. 2 and then 3. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Curve. And once again, cut it off. And 3 curves. There. Nice and simple, hopefully. And let's see, now that we have that, I believe that is pretty much it. For my drawing here of Mel, Mega Minion Mel from Despicable Me 4. And I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, just like all the other Mega Minions I've drawn so far. And if you want more, definitely let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.